Tutting challengers. Welcome to day 4 of Tutting Academy's Grid Challenge. In order for you to connect with your buddy through geometry flow, our goal today is simple: to play with this grid and bring you one step closer to unlocking your tutting puzzle. Let's start by stretching your hands out like this. Go on, follow my lead. Don't stretch too hard though. Be aware of your body and don't overstretch. Our goal here is to warm up the muscles. So follow my lead, because over the next few minutes, we're going to install tutting movements directly into your muscle memory. Keep in mind, by the end of this 4-day grid challenge, we'll combine all the grids together into an advanced puzzle choreography that's going to feel incredible. And your first step starts right now. So put your hands up, relax your shoulders, and let's dive in. One last thing. If you are already an experienced tutting dancer, please get inspired by the daily moves, but also add an additional movement between the moves. So you can either change the video speed to 1.5 or keep it slow and just add more transitions between the moves. However, if you're a beginner, then just follow along. Okay, ready? For the 4th and final day, I thought about teaching the Egyptian grid, which is an important foundation, but I wanted to give you something unique that you can't find anywhere else. So I'm excited to announce that the last day of the grid challenge is going to be the most challenging and my absolute favorite grid. So I hope you're not afraid of a little challenge. And as we're approaching the end of this challenge, it's a good time for you to consider, where would you like to grow from here? I hope you enjoyed my training, and if you did, this doesn't have to be the end, because if you really want to take your tutting skills to the next level and explore everything this beautiful world has to offer, then I invite you to go beyond just a few days of practice and join our 6-week tutting program called Certified Tutting Master. I challenge you to follow my tuts. Yes! Yes! You did it! You did it! You did it! Whoop-de-doo! Tum-tum-tum-ta-da-dum! You've completed today's challenge! Keep exploring this grid! Thank you for joining day 4 Grid Challenge and for choosing to invest in your body's health through movement. Sure, it's fun to dance with geometry flow, But it's even more important to just move your body, stay active, and improve your creativity. As we finish today's challenge, I want to invite you to give a small bow to yourself as a sign of respect for completing today's challenge. So take a deep breath in. Thank you and good luck.